Google Analytics tool and solution for your business. Do you want to increase the traffic to your website? However, I'm not sure where to start. Don't worry, the solution is to start with information and statistics rather than making modifications based on your desires. The popularity of the internet has grown to the point that there are about 40 million sites that use Google Analytics. But many consumers are as uninformed as you are. So, today, I'll break down the most relevant information and advice to assist you in improving the performance and conversion rate of your website. Customer relationship management. Getting more traffic and customer involvement is one of the best methods to improve revenue, as is controlling how many and how soon visitors leave the website. Bounce rate is the percentage of people who just look at the first page of a website and don't go any farther. You can also check the time on site and page, which tells you how long visitors remain on it. If they aren't staying, you should change it and make it more appealing so that consumer engagement rises. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.